everyone, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and today I have another Project Life video for you guys. A lot of people have been expressing an interest in my Project Life and how I do it, so I'm going to be making some more Project Life videos in the near future. I do Project Life in a 9x12 album. I'll link my playlist down below as well as some of the tutorials I have already if you want to check out my style. This is my 2018 album. It's very simple. It's the linen one from Studio Calico. This one is my 2016. This is a Beautiful Mess album, which I really love, and this is my 2017 album, and look how pretty they look. I have another one like this, so I'm probably gonna use for my Disney trip. So chunky, I love it. Love Project Life, and I'm so happy this is my third year doing it. 9x12 albums are really hard to come by, so there's not that many different styles that I gotta work with. So I'm gonna show you my January pages. There's one layout that is missing because I haven't done it yet, but that's okay. I'll get to it eventually. This is the beginning of my 2018 album. This year I wanted to use this acetate, and I spelled out Love My Life. It's all about loving who you are and self-love and being positive about you as a person, and that's just really what I'm all about this year. Love is my one little word, so I love that it starts off my album with that. It's gonna be really fun to look back on this at the end of the year to see how much love I actually cultivated in my life. So I'm really excited about that. This is an acetate from A Beautiful Mess. This is my first layout in this album, my one little word. Although I don't really have it stated anywhere, I think what I'm going to do is some journaling in the back about what this layout means to me, what this quote means to me, and that's my one little word. So I'm really going to focus on that. If you want to see how I put this together, I'll link the video down below. So these are my January 2018 pages. I really like how my pages are very music oriented this month, especially the movie I went to watch, my favorite movie right now. I freaking love The Greatest Showman. It was beautiful. Oh, so good. I like to do little intro cards like this with the month title. I went down memory lane this month and I found all my favorite hoodies from bands, and I just took a picture of them. I Insta stories as well, and then my AFI jacket still fits me. And then this is all to document The Greatest Showman, and I have the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection, and it's really difficult to use, but it worked perfectly for The Greatest Showman, so I wanted to use as many things as I could. So there's 2 tents, but that's fine. I added some stickers also. I did my journaling here. This is my ticket stub. There, I stamped the date. The movie poster. It's such a beautiful freaking movie. It's so awesome. And then here, I went someplace for dinner and I got a customized drink for me. It was gin and a little bit like spritzy with melon liqueur or just melon flavor. It was so freaking amazing. It would be my signature drink. If you can describe me in a drink, it was that one, and it was so damn good. I want it again. Our mixologist, he's the one who kind of just asked us questions, what do you like, and then he kind of made it up. So I don't even know if I'd be able to ever have that again, but it was so good I had to document it. Celebrity Big Brother UK started on January 2nd, and this was my favorite season of Celebrity Big Brother. It's so freaking amazing. It was such a great, good season, and it was the year of the woman, so it was really like all girl power, and they had intellectual conversations. If you guys are in the UK, or if you watch Big Brother UK and you know what I'm talking about, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to chat about it because it was such a great season. And I went for a walk someday, January 11th apparently, and there was like a fork in the road, and I did journal about this on my Facebook page. If you guys want to follow me, it's Serena B and the Crafty Rebels, because you guys are my crafty rebels, and I kind of created a little Facebook group for me. So if you guys want to join, I'll link that below. I put a Tim Holtz sticker that says be open to whatever comes next, and it kind of fits well with the whole fork in the road. And there's a whole story about this. If you want to check it out, it's on my Facebook page. The back, more music inspired stuff. I decided to start collecting records. I don't have a record player yet, but that will come with time. And my friend is really into record collecting. She took me to a couple of different vinyl stores that she knows, and it was really fun. And so this is my haul from that day. I even found 2 postcards, vintage postcards, one from Rocky Horror that I can't wait to frame. And I just decorated it with some of my Love Bites exploding hearts. And then this day I had plans, but I had to cancel my plans because my car, can you see that? My car was buried on all sides, so that didn't happen. And this is a sticker from the Valentine's Day collection that came out for Michaels, and the Valentine's Day I should say, and it says I heart me, so I put that there. I found a Morrissey vinyl, and it's so pretty. I love how it looks like holding it up against the wall, so it was nice. It's a picture of me with my Misfits hoodie that I got from Norway. Snapped some pictures and I liked the way it looked, so I put it in my project life to show what I'm wearing that day, I guess, and the jeans I had on. And I just layered a heart, an enamel heart sticker. Buffy turned 37 on January 19th, so happy birthday Buffy. And I remember in my year before that I also made a happy birthday Buffy card, so that's really cute. That's the first page. Next I have this one right here, overview, more music inspired, which I'm totally fine with. This first thing, I took a really nice bath. My friend Serena sent me some of these floral things in some Christmas happy mail, and I snapped some pictures. I really like how that looks. This says celebrate the little things, Felicity Jane stamp. This is a card and I actually folded it over so there's journaling in there. I have this vellum piece that I got a really long time ago from Australia. A friend sent it to me, and so I thought it would be perfect because it's a record player and I'm collecting records. The Against Me record I was looking for, I was actually gonna buy it new for $24 and I found it used for $18, and that's amazing. I love used records, and it's really hard to find the music I like used because it's really modern, and it's really easy to be a record collector if you're like into 50s, 60s, 70s music, you know what I mean? So I was freaking floored. I was so excited when I saw that. Oh, I love it. And then some AFI records over here. It's so pretty. Love, 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 love AFI. Another Misfits shirt, selfie, I don't know. And then I'm gonna watch The Greatest Showman again. So good. And I added some stickers and stuff from that collection. I found this old photo of a friend back in high school. She drew this little comic strip of me with Harry Potter, and it's so funny. If you guys wanna pause that and read, if you can read that, I don't know. It's just so funny. And I found this looking through my Facebook, so I Instagrammed it. Back then I wasn't scrapbooking, I wasn't memory keeping, right? And now I can bring back stuff from high school by doing that. I do have a lot of high school things in my Smashbooks. If you want to see some Smashbook videos, I can link them down below. But the point is, I like to kind of bring these things back into my actual project life, and that's a fun tip you guys can do if you have something from your younger years, or you as a child, or high school, or anything like that. Grab a photo of it, put it in your project life now, and kind of reminisce on it, and share the story of it now so you don't forget, you know? I went for drinks with my friend Jess, and I went to this really cool place called Darling, and I had this card from Studio Calico, and I think it's perfect. So what I did was I just added some washi, and it's a flip bit, so behind it is like a grid, and I did my journaling about the night there. Took some pictures of the actual place. I love this photo. Snapped a selfie, and then we went to this other bar to go 80s dancing, and I love it. It was so much fun, and we had some gin tonics, and yeah, that's me taking a bathroom selfie at the club. And then what I like to do is I create like an also this happened card, and so this is just talking about how I discovered that I'm a Taurus rising sign or ascending sign, and which basically means the day I was born, at the time I was born, which I was born at 3 p.m. My brother's born at 3 a.m. and I think that's really cool. So I kind of just journaled about that so I don't forget. I reached over 16,000 subscribers on YouTube, so thank you so much guys for following me. It means so much to me. And this is a card from Beautiful Mess. So I just, you know, layered it together, put the little photo there, added some stickers in this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions about the products I used or my procedure, I don't know, whatever, just let me know. I am planning on making a video where I go through my step-by-step, the apps I use to edit, and how I prepare and plan for Project Life, because I do it monthly, so I do 1 month at a time. So in March I'm going to be working on my February pages. I'm all cut up with my Project Life for 2017, which I'm so excited about because I was 4 months behind. The only thing I need to work on in that album is my October month, which is going to be really big, but I think I'm going to start working on that soon. The part that takes the longest is printing the pictures and collecting the pictures, editing them, putting them into collages so you can print them out, which is what I'll show you guys in my video. But yeah, so that's the longest part for me. However, once that is done, I feel like it's easier to like sit a little bit at a time and just craft away, and then sooner or later you're done and you're caught up. So that's my plan. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next Saturday for another video. Much love and take care. Bye!